Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For her latest fashion photoshoot, Pooja Hegde embraced a bold and glamorous look, opting for a striking orange gown that exuded elegance and sophistication. The gown, adorned with shimmering sequins, added a touch of sparkle and glamour, catching the light beautifully with every movement. The design was sleek and sexy, perfectly tailored to accentuate her curves, giving the entire ensemble a flattering, figure-hugging silhouette. The vibrant orange hue of the gown made a powerful statement, while the subtle shimmer from the sequins elevated the look to a whole new level of luxe fashion. To complement the gown, the actress chose a pair of delicate pink earrings that brought in a subtle contrast, enhancing the overall outfit with just the right pop of color. For her beauty choices, she went for a high bun that gave the look a clean and polished finish. Her hair was styled in a sleek, sophisticated manner, allowing the attention to stay on the details of her stunning gown and accessories. To add to the overall glamour, she opted for glossy makeup that maintained a natural yet radiant appeal. Her glowing skin, soft lips, and minimal eye makeup highlighted her features in an effortless, fresh way, creating a perfect balance between her outfit and beauty choices. The combination of the glamorous gown, sleek bun, and radiant makeup ensured that Pooja exuded poise and confidence, making her look captivating and unforgettable during the photoshoot. For her recent photoshoot, Pooja Hegde stunned in a radiant deep navy blue satin and lace gown that epitomized elegance and sophistication. The gown, crafted with luxurious satin fabric, had a dreamy and ethereal silhouette that was both graceful and sultry. It featured long sleeves that added a refined touch, while the high neckline brought an air of timelessness to the ensemble. However, the real element of surprise was the back cutout, which elevated the oomph factor, adding just the right amount of allure and modernity to an otherwise classic design. The satin skirt, designed with an intricate gathered detail around the waist, flowed effortlessly into a long, cascading form, creating a striking and fluid movement as she walked. The combination of the structured lace top and the silky satin bottom made the gown truly breathtaking, showcasing a perfect blend of textures and elegance. When it came to accessories, the beauty kept it minimal yet impactful, opting for a pair of dazzling diamond earrings that added just the right amount of sparkle. She complemented the earrings with a bold statement ring, foregoing any necklace to keep the look sleek and refined, allowing the high neckline and intricate gown design to shine. For her makeup, the actress chose to go with a natural yet luminous look, enhancing her flawless features with dewy, glowing skin. She sported subtly blushed cheeks that gave her a fresh, youthful glow, and her lips were painted in a soft rosy hue that added a pop of color while maintaining an understated elegance. A classic stroke of eyeliner and mascara-coated lashes framed her eyes beautifully, creating a delicate yet captivating look. The combination of the dewy complexion, rosy lips, and softly defined eyes worked harmoniously to complement the boldness of the gown. Pooja's hair was styled to perfection in a sleek updo, giving her an impeccably polished appearance. Every strand was neatly pulled back, ensuring no tresses were left astray, which further enhanced the chic and sophisticated vibe of the entire look. The updo not only added to the regal air but also allowed the details of the gown's back cutout and high neckline to stand out prominently. Altogether, her choice of this navy blue satin and lace gown, paired with her refined accessories, natural makeup, and sleek updo, made for an effortlessly glamorous and timeless fashion statement. She exuded confidence, poise, and an undeniable charm, ensuring that all eyes were on her throughout the photoshoot. The actress is seen effortlessly blending modern chic with a touch of playful elegance, as she leans casually against a rack, striking a pose while holding a telephone. The visual is striking, exuding a sense of both style and attitude, and her ensemble truly steals the spotlight. For the shoot, she opted for a stylish blazer and shirt from the Tangerine, which brought a contemporary edge to her look. The blazer, tailored to perfection, added structure and sophistication, while the shirt underneath provided a crisp, clean contrast. The layering of these pieces exuded a boss lady vibe, embodying a balance between business-like sharpness and laid-back cool. The actress wore a skirt from the Kanika Goyal label that further elevated the ensemble. The skirt added a unique twist with its design, creating a striking visual contrast with the structured blazer. Whether the skirt was high-waisted or flowy, it lent an added dimension of flair, bringing together both femininity and edginess in one cohesive look. The blend of textures and layers highlighted her ability to rock high-fashion pieces with ease, creating a versatile and fashion-forward silhouette. In terms of footwear, the actress took a daring and unexpected route by opting for Crocs from Crocs India, which added a playful and unconventional touch to her outfit. The casual and quirky nature of the Crocs created an intriguing contrast against the formal elements of the blazer and skirt, showing her willingness to experiment with bold, fun accessories. The Crocs not only added a unique pop to the look but also made it feel approachable and grounded, reflecting the growing trend of mixing high fashion with comfort. For accessories, the actress kept things minimal, allowing the clothes and Crocs to do the talking. Her makeup was a continuation of this natural, yet polished aesthetic, with a radiant complexion, subtle blush, and nude-toned lips that kept the overall vibe fresh and youthful. She further accentuated her eyes with a sleek liner and mascara to add definition, ensuring her features stood out without overpowering the look. Her hair was styled to complement the overall outfit, possibly in a sleek ponytail or loose waves, maintaining a sense of casual elegance while keeping the focus on her dynamic ensemble. The entire photoshoot captured Pooja in a modern, fashion-forward light, seamlessly blending elements of classic tailoring with playful, unconventional accessories. The juxtaposition of the chic blazer and skirt with casual Crocs exemplified her versatility and willingness to embrace both high fashion and comfort, making her look feel effortlessly stylish and refreshingly bold. This photoshoot stands as a testament to her evolving fashion sense, showing her ability to push boundaries and create memorable, trend-setting moments. Pooja Hegde's travel fashion is the perfect blend of comfort, style, and sophistication, showcasing her ability to master the art of jet-setting in chic ensembles. Whether she's spotted at the airport or traveling to some exotic destination, her choices reflect a well-thought-out combination of practicality and trendiness. One of her go-to travel looks includes cozy yet fashionable athleisure outfits, often comprising oversized hoodies or sweatshirts paired with fitted leggings or joggers. These looks not only offer comfort during long flights but also maintain a relaxed yet stylish vibe. She's frequently seen accessorizing such outfits with statement sneakers or slip-on shoes, ensuring she is both comfortable and trendy as she makes her way through the terminal. Her choice of sneakers often includes high-end brands or trendy, chunky designs, adding a touch of glam to her otherwise laid-back look. The actress also knows how to elevate her casual outfits with accessories, often opting for stylish sunglasses that add an element of mystery and glamour. Oversized shades or trendy aviators are her go-to pieces, giving her an effortlessly cool vibe, even when dressed down. She tends to carry chic designer handbags, often opting for crossbody bags or tote bags that are both functional and stylish, ensuring she has everything she needs for her travels while maintaining a high fashion appeal. When it comes to layering, the actress incorporates lightweight jackets, denim, or leather, depending on the season. These layers add a polished finish to her travel looks while providing the necessary comfort during transit. She leans into stylish trench coats or puffer jackets, which not only keep her warm but also add a structured, elegant feel to her outfit. Even in her most laid-back looks, Pooja always manages to add a sophisticated twist, ensuring that her travel wardrobe is both practical and chic. In warmer climates, she opts for breezy outfits like flowy maxi dresses or coordinated co-ord sets that offer a relaxed, vacation-ready vibe while maintaining her polished sense of style. Paired with flat sandals or casual sneakers, she exudes an easygoing yet fashionable aesthetic. Her ability to switch between different styles, from sporty athleisure to laid-back boho, speaks to her versatility and keen sense of fashion. Her makeup choices for travel are usually natural and minimalistic, with a dewy finish that highlights her glowing skin. A fresh face with minimal foundation, subtle blush, and nude lips is her signature look, allowing her to appear radiant without looking overdone. Hair-wise, she prefers effortless styles, often opting for a casual bun, loose waves, or a sleek ponytail, easy to manage yet chic. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.